Hello guys, welcome to the Shankari. This is the home of herbs and spices. If you are new here, this is where you need to be because this is where you get your herbal tips for healthy living. Okay, now this is avocados. Avocados naturally is natural fats. Avocado is natural fats. It contains your daily fiber content. So that is to say avocado can produce or provide your daily fiber content. Avocado too prevents cancer, it prevents diabetes, good for weight loss, lower cholesterol levels, maintain a healthy blood pressure, and also good for arthritis. So I will make a complete video how you can use the seed of avocados to lower blood pressure and reduce the pain of arthritis. So for those of you that love eating bread with normal spread, so you can as well use avocado as spread. You can use avocado as spread. That's what I do. So I use avocado as spread. So it's not hard. Look at it. This is avocado. You see, it's natural. Okay, this is natural. So all you need to do is just take out your avocados. Okay, just take out your avocados as you can see here. So you just match it. It's done. Put it together so you can see. Wow, this is yummy. So go and try it. Go and try it. You will definitely come back here, okay, to testify. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.